If your 2006 Silverado has an ABS light that won't turn off, you might need to replace the electronic brake control module. Before you buy a new module, remember that 70% of these issues start with simple wiring and grounding problems. Let's break down the diagnostic steps to confirm if your module is actually dead. Start by disconnecting your battery, scanning for specific fault codes, and checking the frame grounds for any visible corrosion. Common symptoms include persistent warning lights, erratic speedometer behavior, or the scan tool failing to communicate with the unit entirely. You will need a basic metric socket set, a quality Torx bit set, and some dielectric grease for the electrical connections. You can save money by doing it yourself, but remember that some newer replacement modules require professional computer programming. Here is the typical cost breakdown, ranging from affordable used parts to the premium price of a new unit plus labor. When you pull the module, be extremely careful with the pump housing and make sure to bleed your brake lines afterwards. Take a photo of the connector before you unplug it so you can verify the pin alignment during reassembly. And remember, never force the module onto the pump, as those internal pins are extremely fragile and bend very easily. If you are unsure about your braking system, don't risk it. Take your truck to a certified professional for final testing.